Good morning, students. Welcome back to grade 4 computer science class. Today we are going to discuss about the last topic in our first lesson, that is the computer system. Regarding this lesson, already we have discussed two videos. In our first video, we have learned about the computer and the uses of computers in different places. In our second video, we have discussed about the IPO cycle, IPOS cycle, and types of devices. In this third part, first we recall the previous videos and then we will move to the today's class. Okay, children? The computer. Everyone knows the definition of computer. Can you remember the definition of computer, children? Yes. From the first class itself, I said the definition of computer. Computer is an electronic device. Computer is an electronic device. Why it is called an electronic device? Already I said no. Why it is called an electronic device? Because it runs with the help of electricity. Because it runs with the help of electricity. That is why it is called an electronic device. That is why it is called an electronic device. So what is the definition of computer? Computer is an electronic device. The computer system consists of four main parts. In the last video class itself, I said that four parts. They are keyboard, mouse, monitor, and CPU. What are the four main parts? Keyboard, mouse, monitor, and CPU. Okay, children, here what is the use of keyboard? Can you remember that? Yes, keyboard is used to give the instructions to the computer. Keyboard is used to give the instructions to the computer. Okay, what is the use of mouse? Mouse is the pointing device. Mouse is the pointing device which is used to select an icon from the screen by clicking the mouse button. Which is used to select an icon from the screen by clicking the mouse button. What is the use of monitor? Monitor is used to displaying the result. Which is used to displaying the result. Okay, the last one is CPU. CPU means Central Processing Unit, which is used to process the data. Which is used to process the data. The computer system has some basic functions. What are that? In our previous class also we have discussed, isn't it? Yes. The computer follows only 3 steps to complete the work. The computer follows only 3 steps to complete the work. The 3 steps are input, process, and output. What are the 3 steps? Input, process, and output. Input means needed things. Input means needed things. Process means doing. Process means doing or working. Output means result. Output means result. These 3 steps, that is input, process, output, together are called IPO cycle. These 3 steps together are called IPO cycle. Additionally, one more step is there. What is that? That is storage. That is nothing but storage. What is the purpose of storage device? For storing the data. For storing the data only, the computer system uses the storage devices. Could you understand, children, what I am saying? Types of devices. Already we discussed the types of devices. Once again we recall the devices. Okay. There are 3 types of devices are there. There are 3 types of devices. What are that? That is input devices, processing device, output devices. What are the 3 types of devices? Input devices, processing device, and output devices. In our last class, we have discussed about the input devices and processing device. And this class we are going to see the output devices. Here are some examples of input devices, that is touchscreen, touchpad, graphic tablet, joystick, microphone, scanner, digital camera and webcam. Already we saw the uses of these devices in our previous class. So no need to recall once again. Yes, children? So we move next. The second device is processing device. This also already we have seen. Once again recall. CPU. CPU means Central Processing Unit. CPU is the processing device. CPU is the processing device and it is also called the brain of the computer. It is also called the brain of the computer. Now we are going to discuss about the third device, that is output devices. Here are some examples of output devices, that is monitor, printer, plotter, projector and speakers. Once again I read monitor, printer, plotter, projector and speakers. Let us see the uses of these devices one by one. The first output device is monitor. The first output device is monitor. Monitor is an electronic device. Monitor is an electronic device that displays whatever we do on the computers. The monitors displays whatever we do on the computers. It is also called visual display unit. It is also called visual display unit, that is VDU. The output that we see on the monitors is called soft copy output. The output that we see on the monitor is called soft copy output. Here the monitor is look like as a televisions. The monitors is look like as a televisions. In televisions have the tuner to change the channels. Televisions have the tuner to change the channels like Sun TV, Vijay TV like that. But monitors does not have a television tuner to change the channels. In monitors we cannot change the channels. That is the difference between the monitors and televisions. Okay. There are two types of monitors named as CRT and LCD. CRT means cathode ray tube. Cathode ray tube. LCD means liquid crystal display. Liquid crystal display. Okay. Let me see the uses of these monitors one by one. First one, CRT monitor. CRT means cathode ray tube. CRT means cathode ray tube. A CRT monitor look like a television set. A CRT monitor looks like a television set, but nowadays CRT monitor is not used because of its size factor. Nowadays a CRT monitor is not used because of its size factor. The second monitor is LCD monitor. The expansion of LCD means liquid crystal display. The expansion of LCD is liquid crystal display. The LCD is the flat panel display. The LCD monitor is the flat panel display. It is a newer technology than CRT. It is a newer technology than CRT, and the LCD monitors use much less disk space, lightweight, and use less electricity than CRT. Comparing CRT monitors, the LCD monitors use less space, lightweight, and less electricity. That's why nowadays most of the people's using LCD monitors. Our next output device is printer. Our next output device is printer. A printer is a device that accepts text and pictures from the computer and transfers that information to the paper. A printer is a device that accepts text and pictures from the computer and transfers that information to the paper. The printed output is called hard copy output. The printed output is called hard copy output. The printers are classified into three types. Printers are classified into three types. What are that? That is dot matrix printer, inkjet printer, and laser printer. These three types of printers are vary from the size, speed, and cost. Let us see the uses of these three types of printers one by one. First one is the dot matrix printer. Dot matrix printer that prints the text and picture using a print head. Dot matrix printer that prints the text and picture using a print head. The print head strike an ink coated ribbon and force the contact between ribbon and the paper, so that each print head makes a small dots on the paper. The print head strike an ink coated ribbon and force the contact between the ribbon and the paper, so that each print head makes a small dots on the paper, and it does not produce the high quality output. The dot matrix printer does not produce the high quality output. Our next printer is inkjet printer. Inkjet printer prints the images by spraying ink onto the paper. Inkjet printer prints the images by spraying ink onto the paper. In dot matrix printer, print head is used to print the text or images on the paper. But here, inkjet printer prints the images by spraying ink onto the paper. The inkjet printers are the most commonly used printers. The inkjet printers are the most commonly used printers, and it can produce better quality output than dot matrix printer. It can produce better quality output than dot matrix printer. But the dot matrix does not produce the high quality output. But here the inkjet printer can produce better quality output than dot matrix. The last type of printer is laser printer. Laser printers print the text more neatly than inkjet printers. Laser printers print the text more neatly than inkjet printers. That is, it can produce the best quality output. The laser printers can produce the best quality output, and also it can print more pages in a minute than a dot matrix or an inkjet printer, and also it can print more pages in a minute than a dot matrix or an inkjet printer. So finally, comparing these three types of printers, the laser printer only can produce the best quality output. In schools, hospitals, colleges, and large scale industries, for like that places, they are using the laser printer to take the printouts, because the laser printer prints more pages in a minute. That's why they are using the laser printer. Our next device is plotter. Our next output device is plotter. Plotter uses a pen to print accurate and high quality drawings such as maps, banners, posters, and blueprints of houses and buildings. Plotter uses a pen to print accurate and high quality drawings such as maps, banners, posters, and blueprints of houses and buildings. Here, what is meant by banners, posters, maps, etc.? Did you see the cinema theater, children? In front of the cinema theaters, they are having big banners and posters, no? That banners and posters are printed by the plotter only. That big banners and posters are printed by the plotters only. Okay, could you understand, children? What is meant by plotter? What is the use of plotter? Okay. Printer uses the toner to print. Printer uses a toner to print, but here instead of toner, the plotters use a pen to print the pictures. Printer uses a toner to print the pictures, but in plotters, the plotters use a pen instead of toner to print the pictures. Plotters mostly used by engineers, architects and map makers. Plotters are classified into two types. Plotters are classified into two types. What are that? Drum plotter and flatbed plotter. Drum plotter and flatbed plotter. Let us see the uses of these plotters one by one. The first plotter is drum plotter. In drum plotter, spin the paper front and back on a cylindrical drum while the ink pens move left and right. In drum plotter, spin the paper, spin means rotate, that is rotate the paper front and back on a cylindrical drum while the ink pens move left and right. While the ink pens move left and right. So, the ink pens are move left and right, the papers are move front and back. That is the drum plotter. That is the function of the drum plotter. In drum plotter, rotate the paper front and back on a cylindrical drum while the ink pens move left and right. Could you understand, children? Second plotter is flatbed plotter. The second plotter is flatbed plotter. The flatbed plotters have a large horizontal surface on which the paper is placed. Flatbed plotter have a large horizontal surface on which the paper is placed. A moving bar draws lines on the paper as it moves across the surface. A moving bar draws lines on the paper as it moves across the surface. It is shown in the picture. Our next device is projector. A projector is used to project the text, images and videos on a large screen. A projector is used to project the text, images and videos on a large screen. It is commonly used in schools, colleges and offices. For example, did you see the smart classes in our school? Children, did you see the smart classes in our school? Yes. In that, if they are playing the videos means we can watch that videos on the big screen only. We can watch the videos in the big screen only. The projector project that videos on the big screen. We are also watching that videos on the big screen only. Okay, could you understand, children? That is the good example for the projector. The smart class is the one of the good example for the projector. Our last output device is speakers. Speaker is an output device that connects to a computer to generate the sound. Speaker is an output device that connects to a computer to generate the sound. That is, the speaker is used to produce the sound. That is, the speaker is used to produce the sound from a computer. For example, if we want to hear some songs means we can use the speakers. By speakers only we can able to hear the songs. Children, we have completed our first lesson. Let us see the small recap of this class. In this lesson, we have learned what is computer, parts of computer system, IPO and IPOS cycles, types of three devices, that is input devices, processing device and output devices. This and all we have learned in this lesson. Our first lesson is over. Now we are moving to the book exercise. So children, all of you take your computer science book. Take page number 10. Children, take page number 10 in your computer science book. Okay. First one, label these devices, categorize them as input or output and write them in the correct column. Okay, so we have to find the names of the given devices. Shall we start? Okay. Which is the name of the first device? What is the name of the first device? Labeled as 1. The first device is monitor. The first device is monitor. What is the second device? The name of the second device is CPU. What is the third device? The third device is microphone. The name of the fourth device is what? The name of the fourth device is speakers. Fifth device. Where is the fifth device? Fifth device is printer. The name of the sixth device is keyboard. The name of the seventh device is mouse. The name of the last device, that is eighth device, is joystick. Okay. So we have to found the names of all devices. Now we have to categorize them as input or output devices. First one is monitor. Monitor is the input or output device. It comes under which device? Yes, it is output device. So it comes under the output devices. Next, second device is CPU. The second device is CPU. CPU is not an input device and also CPU is not an output device. It is a processing device. CPU is the processing device. So we no need to categorize the CPU. Okay. What is the third one? Third one is the microphone. It comes under which device? It comes under the input device because of microphone is the input device. Okay. What is the fourth one? Speaker. Speaker is the input device or output device? Speakers are the output devices. So it comes under the category of output devices. Okay. So next one, fifth one. Printer. Printer is which device? Printer is output device. So it comes under the category of output devices. Next one, keyboard. Keyboard is the input device. So it comes under the category of input devices. Seventh one, mouse. Mouse is also the input device. So it also comes under the category of input devices. Next one, joystick. Joystick also the input device. So it comes also under the category of input devices. Okay children, could you understand how to categorize them as input or output devices? Okay, you have to write in your book. Okay. Page number 11. First Roman, tick the correct answers. In that first one, which of these is commonly used to play games? Which of these is commonly used to play games? The options are light pen, trackball, joystick. Which is used to play games, children? Yes, joystick. Yes, the right answer is joystick. Second one, which of these responds when you touch any item on the screen with your finger? Which of these responds when you touch any item on the screen with your finger? The options are mouse, light pen, touch screen. Which is used to select an icon from the screen with your finger? Which device is? Yes, touch screen. Touch screen is used to select an icons from the screen by using your finger. The third one, which of these prints by spraying ink onto the paper? Which of these prints by spraying ink onto paper? The options are dot matrix printer, laser printer, inkjet printer. The correct option is inkjet printer. The fourth one, which of these is not a type of scanner? Which of these is not a type of scanner? The options are flatbed, barcode, webcam. So flatbed is a scanner, barcode is one of the scanner, webcam is not a scanner. So the correct option is webcam. Webcam is not a scanner. Fifth one, which of these is also known as the brain of the computer? Once again I read the question. Which of these is also known as the brain of the computer? The options are ALU, CU, CPU. Which one is known as the brain of the computer, children? Yes, CPU is known as the brain of the computer. Okay, children, could you understand? Second Roman, complete the sentences. That is fill-ups. Okay, in that first one, dash produce sound from a computer. Dash produce sound from a computer. Okay, children, which one is used to produce the sound from a computer? Can you remember that? Yes, speakers or produce the sound from a computer. Okay, second one, a dash uses a pen to print images. A dash uses a pen to print images. Which one is used to print the images by using pen? Yes, plotter. A plotter uses a pen to print the images. Third one, the dash performs all arithmetic and logical calculations. The dash performs all arithmetic and logical calculations. Which one is used to perform all the arithmetical and logical calculations? Yes, the ALU is used to perform all the arithmetic and logical calculations. Okay, fourth one, a touchpad is mostly found on dash. A touchpad is mostly found on dash. Where it is present? It presents only on the laptops. It presents only on the laptops. A touchpad is mostly found on laptops. Fifth one, dash and dash are two types of printers. Dash and dash are two types of printers. You have the printers are classified into commonly three types, generally three types. You have to write any two types of printers here. Okay, I am using inkjet and laser. Okay, inkjet and laser are two types of printers. The third Roman is write true or false. Write true or false. In that first one, a plotter is used to print large drawings such as maps or posters. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. Because a plotter is used to print large drawings such as maps or posters. Second one, flatbed is a commonly used scanner. Flatbed is a commonly used scanner. Is it true or false? Yes, it is also true. Third one, an inkjet printer prints by spraying ink on paper. An inkjet printer prints by spraying ink on paper. Just now we saw that in fill-ups. The same question. Okay. So, what is the answer? Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. The inkjet printer prints by spraying ink on the paper. The fourth one, the ALU controls all the parts of the CPU. The ALU controls all the parts of the CPU. Is it true or false? Yes, it is false because the CU only controls all the parts of the CPU. CU controls all the parts of the CPU, not a ALU. That's why it is false. Fifth one, a graphic tablet is an output device. A graphic tablet is an output device. Is it true or false? Yes, it is false because a graphic tablet is an input device. That's why it is false. The Romanus match the columns. In that, first one is printer. First one is printer. The options are a display screen of the computer, a pointing device used to scan documents, used to capture photos, prints text and pictures on the paper. Which option is correct for the printer? Printer is used to print the text and pictures on the paper. So this is the correct option for the printer. Second one, scanner. Second one, scanner. The options are a display screen of the computer, a pointing device used to scan documents, used to capture the photos. So what is the use of scanner? Scanner is used to scan the documents. So which option is the correct option? C is the correct option, used to scan documents. Third one, digital camera. Third one, digital camera. The options are a display screen of the computer, a pointing device used to capture photos. What is the use of digital camera? The cameras are used to capture the photos, no? So which one is the correct option? D is the correct answer. Used to capture the photos. Fourth one, joystick. The options are a display screen of the computer, a pointing device. Joystick is the pointing device. So which one is the correct? Option B is the correct one. Okay, last one, monitor. So no other options. A display screen of the computer. Monitor is the display screen of the computer. Could you understand, children? Fifth Roman is guess who I am. Guess who I am. First one, I project text or images on a large screen. I project text or images on a large screen. Who am I? I am the projector. I am the projector. Second one, I am a visual display unit of a computer. I am a visual display unit of a computer. Who am I? I am the monitor. I am the monitor. Third one, I convert drawing strokes into a digital form. I convert drawing strokes into a digital form. Who am I? I am the graphic tablet. Fourth one, you use me to input your voice. You use me to input your voice. Who am I? I am the microphone. Fifth one, I use a pen to print pictures. I use a pen to print pictures. Who am I? I am the plotter. I am the plotter. Could you understand, children? Thank you, children. See you in our next video class.